Oftentimes, it's what you experience, what you encounter, what you see, and who you spend it with that makes the journey the adventure of a lifetime. It isn't about the rig you built, it isn't about whether you're car camping or overlanding. It's all about getting out there and enjoying the world around you. In this video, we'll be taking a break from overlanding to spend time with the off-road overland community. You'll be able to follow along and see some unique builds from 4x4s to built all-wheel drive crossovers. From there, we will continue our attempt to overland California, showing the ever-changing terrain and weather conditions, and the car issues we encountered along the way. This is Mark, and you're watching The Rooted Progress.
So we are on our way to Softroad Nation's meet. What is the meet called?
Rigs and Chill. It's Softroad Nation and Recon Motorsports, 10K follower celebration. Excited to see all the rigs, all-wheel drive, crossovers, trucks, 4x4s, etc. Like everything under the umbrella. Alright guys, so we've been here for quite a few minutes, hours.
Quite a few hours now.
Quite a few hours now. It's been freaking amazing, guys. Tons of rigs, crossovers, Jeeps, trucks, everything. Really great vendors here. Recon Motorsports and Softroad Nation did an awesome job hosting.
Yeah.
This is freaking amazing, guys. This place is freaking sick.
So since we're out here in the parking lot, we decided to put on the solar panels. Get some charge while we're here, right Mark?
Yep. Also, our refrigerator, our portable refrigerator does not run when the car is off, which is a good and a bad thing. So good thing is that it doesn't drain your battery by the time you wake up the next morning. Bad thing is that when you're at an event like this, you gotta have some way of keeping it on. If you have the cooler, you can just not worry about it at an event like this. But with our solar setup is able to connect to our power station, which we'll show you in a bit, and then our power station continues to be charged by the sun while it's running the refrigerator.
So here's our charge can that's controlling all the energy being harnessed by the sun. Plugs in over to the left side of our power station, and then that plug leads to our refrigerator. And that is how we keep our refrigerator nice and cool without draining our battery, yet still keeping our power station topped off.
So the event is pretty much winding down, guys. But damn, this Porsche. So this is an amazing Porsche that we just happened to find here at Softroad Nation meet. And the owner here is John Fobb.
Hey, how's it going?
Fobb. You mind taking us a little tour around your vehicle real quick?
All right, no problem. Yeah, pretty much I did the 20-inch Wheels Advent GT. And went with the Toyota tires, Open Country AT3. That's the newest tire they actually do have. And did a little bit of lift kit, spacer. There's really not much you can do in the suspension, but we're working on doing the Kings pretty soon. And then pretty much did the Baja lights, LP6, did the rigid adapt lights, roof rack by Inno.
Those are really sick lights.
Thank you, thank you.
Really
they
like
are pretty
those.
nice, yes. So it's still a work in progress,
Of course.
And, of course, it's never done, right?
Never ever.
Never done. So.
But I really like that you're taking this Porsche out and you're really building it for what it is.
Right, definitely,
and-
man. And it does pretty good, man. For
Yeah.
a hybrid, for what it is, It's not a 4x4, but hey, it's not bad, man.
It's nice. I like it. Yeah, this is freaking sick.
So yes, we're still gonna do a custom bars and everything, bumper support, all that stuff. So probably in about a couple of months, you'll see a lot more of the changes.
Okay.
So,
Do you have an Instagram that
I
we
do. Instagram is JohnFob Movement, JOHNFOB Movement.
And yeah, very cool, man.
Thank you very
Really
much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so that is the end of the Rigs and Chill event. That was really great. We got to see a lot of people and yeah, lots of fun.
Definitely fun meeting a lot of you guys out there as well, getting to talk to you guys and personally, you know, like hand off any advice that we actually have. So that was freaking awesome, and it was just great spending the time with you guys. So really thankful to Softroad Nation and Recon Motorsports for hosting the event. And yeah, I can't wait till the next one, and hopefully there's more to come. So yeah.
And yeah, so hopefully we get to see you guys out on the trails, and remember, keep on trekking.
In the next episode, we will be continuing our adventure exploring the Big Sur coastline, a nearby off-road trail, and gorgeous purple sand beach.